Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, and many others.
Chandragupta Maurya, a leader of remarkable strength and cunning, established the Maurya Empire by overthrowing the reigning Nanda dynasty. His story is one of extraordinary ambition and shrewd strategies, setting the scene for the Maurya Empire's reign. Chandragupta's reign began with a concern for consolidating the empire. He built a strong military base and implemented a well-structured administrative system, laying the foundation for a stable and efficient empire. Chanakya, Chandragupta's trusted advisor, played a pivotal role in the growth of the empire. His counsel on statecraft, economy, and warfare significantly influenced Chandragupta's rule, marking an era of prosperity and stability. To further secure his empire, Chandragupta married a princess of the Seleucid Empire. This diplomatic alliance not only strengthened ties with the Hellenistic world but also allowed for cultural exchanges and trade. As Chandragupta aged, he abdicated the throne in favor of his son, Bindusara. Bindusara extended the empire towards the south, further fortifying the Maurya Empire's position and influence. Bindusara's reign was marked by peace and prosperity. He was known as the progenitor of good for his benevolent rule that fostered social harmony and economic growth. The most renowned ruler of the Maurya dynasty was Ashoka. Taking the throne after Bindusara, Ashoka initially ruled with an iron fist, expanding the empire through violent conquests. However, after the bloody Kalinga War, Ashoka changed his approach. Haunted by the devastation he had caused, he decided to embrace Buddhism and dedicated his life to peace and welfare of his people. Ashoka's reign is known for his Dharma policy, advocating for ethical and moral life practices. His edicts, inscribed on rocks and pillars throughout his empire, reflect his commitment to non-violence, tolerance, and compassion. Ashoka was also a great patron of arts and architecture. His constructions, especially the Ashoka Pillar and the Sanchi Stupa, represent the zenith of Mauryan art and architecture and remain significant historical landmarks. Under Ashoka, the Maurya Empire reached its peak, covering a vast region of the Indian subcontinent. The empire's population thrived, and its economy flourished, making it one of the world's most formidable powers at that time. Despite its immense success, the Maurya Empire eventually fell into decline after Ashoka's death. The empire's unity was disrupted, and internal conflict began to weaken its foundation. The decentralization of power, coupled with the lack of a strong leader, contributed to the empire's downfall. The last Mauryan emperor, Brihadratha, was assassinated, marking the end of the Maurya dynasty. Though the empire dissolved, its legacy remained. The Maurya Empire set a precedent for subsequent dynasties in terms of administration, military organization, and economic policies. The Maurya Empire also had a significant cultural influence. The philosophical teachings of Chanakya, Ashoka's edicts, and the architectural wonders all had a profound impact on Indian culture. Moreover, Ashoka's adoption of Buddhism and its propagation across the empire transformed the religious landscape of Asia. His missionaries spread Buddhism far and wide, making it a major world religion. The Maurya Empire's administrative structure became a model for future empires. Its centralized system, efficient bureaucracy, and well-structured military were adopted by subsequent rulers. The Maurya Empire also played a key role in establishing trade relations with neighboring regions. Its flourishing economy and extensive trade networks set the stage for India's economic development. Despite its fall, the Maurya Empire's influence can still be seen today. Its contribution to art, culture, religion, and governance continues to shape the Indian subcontinent. In conclusion, the Maurya Empire was a beacon of administrative efficiency, cultural richness, military might, and economic prosperity. Its legacy remains etched in the annals of history, influencing modern India in countless ways. Join us again as we delve into more fascinating chapters of history. Remember, history is not just about the past, it is about understanding our present and shaping our future. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the Maurya Empire as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.